Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! I am here to tell you about why The Sims is a super game. I have been a fan of this game for years, but before I get into this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and click on the bell icon to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my awesome uploads. Let's get into this video. The Sims is a game that I've been playing ever since The Sims 2. I've loved every expansion pack that came with the game, which a lot of people will see the expansion packs as being expensive, but they're really not because of all the wonderful content that you get when you get the expansion packs. It comes with new social interactions that your Sims can do, new hairstyles, new accessories, new clothing that your Sims can wear, new personality traits, so you can make thousands of different amazing Sims there that you can have a world of truly incredible individuals living in a city. I also really like how a lot of the expansion packs will even add a new town, so you have a new area for you and your Sims to explore. I really love the University expansion pack there that comes with the Sims 2 series as well as the Sims 3. I'm hoping they're going to make one for the Sims 4 because they've done it for Sims 2 and Sims 3, and I've really loved it on both of the earlier games. It gives an incredible university experience that anybody can enjoy, and you have so many more careers that will be available to you because your Sim had graduated university, and you get a higher starting pay and a higher starting position when your Sim goes into their chosen career, which is really awesome. We'd all love that if that worked that way in this real world. I know I would. I also really loved how in the Sims they act very human-like. It's interesting how even in The Sims they have realistic responses to situations. If a Sim uses the same social interaction a bunch of times, the other Sims around them will be bored. It's interesting there how realistic they've made these Sims, how interesting that they've made their interactions, whereas you can really see the emotion in the Sims' faces. You can hear it in their voice. Even though they do not speak English, they speak Simlish, which even makes the music on the radios even better because all of the music is done in Simlish. A lot of people actually like the songs better in Simlish than they do in English because Simlish is sensational. But I've really enjoyed this wonderful series, and I've definitely spent many hours playing the game, and it's even more amazing there that you can share this wonderful game with friends there when they come over to your house there to have them try a brand new game, so then they know for their birthday or for Christmas or for any time what gift they would ultimately like to receive, because it is an amazing game. It is wonderful, all the customization you can do to the Sims clothing, the Sims personality, the Sims hairstyles, the accessories the Sim wears. You can even customize their home to really make your dream home in a matter of seconds without a penny out of your pocket. Who wouldn't love that? But I've always been such a fan there of all the unique and exciting expansion packs. I get more excited for those than I do for Christmas because I've been such a fan of the series. I love how much detail and thought and how wonderfully playable each one of the expansion packs has been. Makes the original game a million times better. But I really hope there that you'll check out the Sims 3 and the Sims 4 video games because they've been absolutely sensational in every possible way, and I couldn't more wholeheartedly and proudly recommend these wonderful games that I've spent hours playing because I enjoy them that well. And I've not been a huge video gamer for much of my life, but when I discovered The Sims, I became a gamer. I really hope that you'll check it out. Comment down below what your favorite Sims game is, as well as the expansion. I would love to know. And what new expansion packs do you hope that you'll see in The Sims 4? Let me know that down below as well. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and click the notification bell to be notified of every time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on this awesome content. And make sure you follow me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict and my Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love seeing all the wonderful comments that I get here on YouTube, all of the comments I get on my Instagram posts. It's absolutely amazing. I have some seriously sensational subscribers that I couldn't be more grateful for. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I appreciate every single one of you. I can't wait to share many more sensational videos with you. I just really couldn't wait to share this wonderful video game with everyone, so then everyone can try it out and hopefully enjoy it just as much as I do, because it is a great game. You will spend many hours playing it and you will wholeheartedly and fully enjoy the experience that The Sims will give to you. It truly is a magical and wonderful game that is definitely worth a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.